In today's video, we are diving into IFTTT, one of the most popular automation platforms that helps you connect your favorite apps, devices, and online services without needing any coding experience. Whether you want to automatically save email attachments to cloud storage, post your Instagram photos to other social media platforms, control your smart home devices, or maybe create powerful workflows that save you time every day, IFTTT makes it possible with just a few clicks. This complete beginner to advanced tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know, including how to create an account, navigate the dashboard, understand applets and automations, connect services, build custom workflows, and explore some of the most useful automations available. And by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start automating repetitive tasks and make your digital life much more efficient. And if you'd like to follow along, be sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description below. So, let's begin. Before we get started, let's first talk about what IFTTT and what you can do with it. Okay, so IFTTT, which stands for if this then that, is a powerful automation platform that allows you to connect to different apps, services, devices, and online tools together. Instead of performing repetitive tasks manually, IFTTT can automatically trigger actions based on specific events. Now, the first thing that you will notice when you visit the official website of IFTTT, which is IFTTT.com, is that you can connect an automation in a minute or less, highlighting how easy it is to build workflows even if you have no coding experience. As you may notice, you have several categories that help you discover automations based on your needs. You have the popular. These are going to be the features, some of the most commonly used applets by the IFTTT community. The business, including automations designed to help business streamline operations and communications. Productivity, focusing on saving time by automating everyday tasks and workflows. The AI-powered, which highlights automations that leverage artificial intelligence to perform smarter actions. And then you have the smart home, contains applets for managing smart devices, lights, security systems, and more. Now, to start using IFTTT, you need to click the Get Started button on the top right corner. On the sign up page, you'll see several registration options that make getting started quick and easy. You can use your Google account, your Apple, your Facebook, you can even use your business email and follow the on-screen instructions. Now at this stage, you'll be prompted to start your IFTTT Pro trial. This subscription unlocks additional features that can help you create more powerful automations and workflows. On the left side screen, you'll see some of the benefits included with the IFTTT Pro. These includes the ability to use multiple actions within a single applet, access to exclusive pro services, and you can create up to 20 applets and enjoy a free 7-day trial before any charges apply. On the right side, you'll find the subscription options. You can choose between an annual billing or a monthly billing, which offers a discounted monthly rate, or the standard monthly subscription plan. To subscribe, you can either click the Subscribe with Google Pay button if it's available in your area or region for a faster checkout experience, or enter your credit or debit card information manually. Simply provide your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've entered your payment details, click the Try It Free button to activate your 7-day free trial. But don't worry if you don't want to upgrade right now. Simply click the Not Now option at the bottom of the page to continue using the available free features and proceed with the setup process. And as you can see, you can discover thousands of services and integrations available for automation. At the top of the page, you will notice the main navigation menu. The Explore section allows you to browse applets, services, and stories, while the My Applets lets you manage your existing automations. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. The Create button is where you can build your own custom applets from scratch, and the Try Pro Free gives you access to EFT premium features. Now let's go back to the main homepage because we are currently viewing the Services tab. The services are the apps and platforms and devices that IFT can connect together to create automations. All right, so you see there's a lot of options that you can do here. But basically, all we have to do now to create our own applet, we need to simply click the Create button here from scratch if you want. But of course, you can choose from any of the following. You also have the option to type in what do you want to automate today. Is it going to be like for Twitter, like a service, Instagram, Gmail, ChatGPT, RSS feed, button widget, AI prompt, and Spotify. Let's say in this instance, we're going to create a Gmail service so you don't have to start from scratch. All right, so you can choose from email my voicemail notes with Gmail. You can send Gmail email when new SMS arrives on Android, or email new Google Contacts details via Gmail. There's basically a lot to choose from. All right, let's say I'm gonna choose the second option. But the first and second option requires you to upgrade to the Pro plan. But for now, we're gonna choose the email new Google Contacts details via Gmail. What will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Now, this automation is called Email New Google Contacts via Gmail. As the name suggests, it automatically sends you an email whenever a new contact is added to your Google Contacts account. In the center of the page, you'll find the Connect button. Clicking this button allows you to enable the automation and connect the necessary Google services to your EFT account. Just below that, EFT provides a brief explanation of how the automation works. All right. And then further down below, you'll see the trigger event. In this case, the trigger is called New Contact Added in Google Contacts. Whenever a new contact is created, the automation is activated. All right. So you notice different details here that can be added in the trigger data, such as add a date, name, a phone number, and a lot more. So simply, let's try to click the Connect button. And what will happen is it will ask you to connect to your Google account. And just like that, the connection was seamless and was successful. Now you'll automatically receive an email every time you add a new contact in Google Contacts. Now let's go back again to the main homepage of EFT, because as you can see, if you hover on the My Applets, we have now successfully created our first applet. Okay, so if you want to create a new one, let's say I'm gonna go to the post Facebook photo uploads to Twitter. All I have to do now is basically connect my Facebook account. What will happen is it will automatically share your new Facebook photo posts to X as tweets with images. Each time you upload a photo on Facebook, a matching tweet is created on your X account with the same caption and picture. All right? Which is perfect for keeping your followers updated across both platforms, and just click the Connect button. But this applet requires you to subscribe to the Pro plan. If you don't want that, just go back again to the Explore section. I am going to show you the Service section because this showcases all the apps, devices, and platforms that you can connect with IFT. You'll find popular services such as Gmail, of course, Google Drive, Dropbox, Spotify. But my favorite here, since I am using this app called ClickUp, you can create custom automations that work across multiple platforms. All I have to do is super simple. Hover down on two subsections. You have the Applets and My Applets. You can create your own ClickUp workflow if you are already has like an immersed experience using IFT. But if you don't have any experience yet, and this is your first time, you might want to go to the applets first, and you can choose from any of the following templates. For example, you can create ClickUp tasks for new Google Business Profile reviews, but these requires the Pro plan. If you just want to connect the ClickUp for now, it's okay because all I have to do is click the connect button, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to your ClickUp account. It's super simple, and you need to select the workspace. So you don't have to log in separately. All I have to do is click that, and now you can create your own applet from scratch with their ClickUp integrations. Now, what will happen is you need to define the trigger and action that will make up your automation. And you will notice two creation modes, the classic and of course the AI. So we will use the classic mode, which follows the if traditional automation structure. All right, so in the center of the screen, you will see the if formula. If this, then that. Okay, so the first section, if this, represents the trigger. A trigger is the event that starts your automation. For example, receiving an email, let's say for a ClickUp. All right, let's say for a ClickUp. Now, all I have to do is we're going to suggest a new trigger. So we're going to click this. We need to add a trigger name for this one. Let's say this is going to be... Now, you need to describe your trigger. For example, this one. And click the continue button. And what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Now, you just have to go back on the other page and you can choose from any of the service that you wanted. If you wanted EFT, right here, which is going to be recommended, you can choose from any of the following options. Let's say a new EFT update. This trigger fires every time the EFT blog posts something. Tag updates is an easy way to stay on top of new services. It's up to you. Let's say, for example, we're going to be choosing the fourth option and we're going to choose what service that's going to be like for the EFT. Okay, and click the create trigger. You want to make sure that the name is correct before you can proceed. And then we're going to go back to the main home page. Since if you want to use the AI, let's say we're going to click the continue button, and what will happen is it will build your applet depending on the description you posted here. You want to make sure your prompt is correct. Now, all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and you have created your first applet. All right. After services, there is going to be the story section featuring articles, tutorials, guides, and automation ideas created by the F team. These stories help users discover new ways to use automation, learn about platform events. For example, if you want to build custom notification automations with F, you might want to read this article. Okay, so it can provide plenty of practical examples to get you started. And with that being said, and that wraps up our complete beginner's guide to If, which is one of the easiest automation platforms for beginners because it lets you connect apps, services, and smart devices without any coding. Using simple if this, then that logic, you can automate tasks such as posting content across social media, backing up files, receiving notifications, and controlling smart home devices. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below. It really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.